Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. It's currently 7 a.m. We're on the way for a bus to go down to the bus station. This is Salzburg, first thing in the morning. Stunning, beautiful weather. As we're leaving Salzburg, we're back at the bus station, heading down for our bus. But what a morning! Look at that everywhere. It's the first Flix of the day there, going to Warsaw. So this is our bus. We arrived around the corner and the bus pulled in. We couldn't ask for better timing than that. Salzburg. These are our seats behind the driver. Just here. We've got plug sockets there. All ends with Lego. Like a mountain of Lego. There's a leg room chair. I'm actually just relaxing so much. This is our first of two buses today. First one going to Munich, then we've got a double-decker Flix. That's what I want to do next, the Flix train. That might be the coolest reg of a Flix I've ever seen. There it is, big Mercedes Turismo. Situation. If you look on the sat nav, which you do now, with 40 minutes to spare for our next bus. It's not looking good at the moment. There's just traffic everywhere. Why is the security guy called him bankrupt? We've arrived in Munich. Look at it. Unfortunately, we don't have any time to explore Munich because our next connection, because we were so late, we're leaving less than an hour from here. So we're at our stand now, stand 11, and we've just got to wait till 1. It's currently 12:34. That's our bus for the next leg. Why is Bald and bankrupt getting people on this coach in Munich? Quite bald. Whoa. Right, off our Flix bus, and we've arrived in Nuremberg. So we're just going to make our way now to the hotel, drop these bags and go and explore. On the street our hotel's on, the metro system isn't too good here. It's like it's not well direction, not well put together, if you like. It's not well posted, not well signposted on where to go. The metro here isn't very good signposting on where to go. Google Maps just kind of puts you underground and then forget about it. St. Lawrence Church. We're just having a little look around the city now. Look at it. What is this? Just like a big gecko?
nichts mehr übrig von Deutschland. Also lassen Sie uns anders investieren in diesem Land.
We're just exploring the old town in Nuremberg because obviously this was just like a little stopover city. We don't have much time here, but we've come to have a look at the old town. Look at that for a doorway. Wow. So just went in Norma Roddy's for a little water, right? Got 2 waters and a beer for €1.48.